Hello, good morning. So today I am going to be making a video about, again, what I eat in a day and a little bit of what I do in a day. I'll show you where I work. Where I work is called Gracie University. It's a jiu-jitsu school. I do jiu-jitsu. We'll get to that. Well, we have arrived, guys. Whole Foods is one of my favorite stores. I'm an avid customer. On the produce aisle is my favorite place to go. I'm just gonna buy milk though. Just to buy milk. I was unprepared this week. I'll do grocery shopping later today. My favorite guy. My favorite. Hello, you. I'm gonna head back to my little studio and get ready. I'm making my smoothie. I'm gonna add 2 to 4 cups. Add some vanilla extract to the blender. Some cinnamon, because it's the bomb. I'm going to add a couple of dates. I'm going to add 10. You don't have to, but I'm trying to gain weight and it's been working doing these smoothies every morning. So if you are trying to lose weight, then maybe just cut half of this. I'm gonna add the oats because it's the bomb. Yeah. We're gonna blend it, guys. Phil, good morning. Good morning, bro. See you later. I'm going to work. Okay, so right now I'm at Gracie University, my job. I'm on my break. So if they're watching this, I'm on my break. Going to film a little bit of the class. Guido, my favorite teacher, one of my favorite teachers, is teaching. Actually, he is my favorite. Sorry, guys. Beginner's class combatives. Guido's teaching. So I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna cook myself a good, yummy lunch. Actually a smoothie. I'm going to cook myself, make a smoothie. All right, I'm back in my kitchen. Gonna make that smoothie again because it's the bomb. You guys can make maybe half of this. If you are losing weight, if you are gaining weight, then put as much as you want. It's gonna be a date smoothie again. I just added some soy milk. I'm gonna add some water. That's how I get my water in. Sometimes it's just so hard to get water in, guys. So sometimes it's just good to just trick your mind into drinking more water, like putting it in a smoothie. I added my dates. Drinking my second smoothie of the day. So I'm stalling. I'm having a very, very slow day. I feel a tad sick and lazy. It's such a beautiful day. Let me show you. So pretty. So I decided to take a drive to Santa Monica, which is like my neighborhood city. I feel a little bit down, not like mentally, but physically. So let me show you where I am. Over there is Malibu. Down there's the beach. My face. Hello. Oh, let me show you this beautiful hill, this mound of dirt. That looks super cool. All right, so if you see that, that's the Santa Monica Park. You can walk down those stairs, and when you walk down, it goes straight to the beach. It's pretty cool. Beautiful plants. Santa Monica is its own city. Yes, it's considered part of LA, but they have their own rules and regulations and zoning, so it's its own city, which is pretty cool. Look at that, it's beautiful. All right, I'm heading downward towards the pier. I'm gonna see if I can get some shots of the pier. You guys see the pier? Look at that. Yeah. I also want to show you guys the parking lot, not parking lot, but this cool zoning area in Santa Monica. So basically we have these green lines that go throughout the city that allows bike riders to have their own lane, which is really nice because a lot of LA doesn't have that and it's unsafe. So this is cool. My future apartments, every one of them. My future apartment. Beautiful. I am about to go leave and buy groceries. I'm gonna go to Trader Joe's and to Whole Foods. I got a bunch of bananas for smoothies, and then I'm just gonna grab a bunch of milk, soy milk, probably an almond milk. Oh, or oats, whichever. I like these little guys just because I like to-go snacks, and when I'm about to get hangry, this kind of just helps it. I get this wrap. It's like super low in fat, which is awesome. The best soup ever. I am gonna grab some corn because I am making a delicious meal today. And there it is. I like to buy organic anything, especially corn. Modified corn, GMO corn, not good. All right, guys, I'm going to take a nap because I'm so tired. I don't know why. I have this like sore throat right now and it just came out of nowhere. So I'm pretty sure I'm getting sick. I'm gonna always put the good and the bad in the video, so I don't want to seem like I'm only putting the good things. So yeah, getting sick. Hope I feel better. Let's hope so. Oh, I feel worse now. I'm definitely sick. Oh, hopefully it's just for a day and I can just sleep it off. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cook 2 recipes. One is going to be miso soup for my sickness. And then the second recipe is, it's going to be either a bean bowl or I'm going to make a tofu wrap. I think I'm going to go with the tofu wrap and miso soup. Yum. I need to get up in order to do that. So one moment. So I just got home and I just put everything away. Those are the main ingredients for tonight's dinner. Tonight I'm going to be making tofu wraps for the first time. Never tried it, but from the video I saw, it was a recipe online, written out. It looked beautiful and delicious looking. It involves tofu, corn, black pepper, turmeric, soy sauce, romaine lettuce, and spinach. And if you want, you can add carrots and other vegetables. It involves hummus as well. Where is it? Where art thou? There it is. I like to use this hummus. It has no oil and it's fat-free. It's pretty good and it's tasty, as it says. First, what you're going to do is drain your tofu bit. And once you drain it, just slice it up. Not too thin, not too thick, just right like this, into rectangle pieces. We're going to put it in the oven for about 10 minutes, 350 Fahrenheit. Put it in. Bam. So after 10 minutes, take it out. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna flip each one and then pour soy sauce over it. All right, guys, so it should look like this. Once you pour all the soy sauce, not all of it, not too much, but not too little. Once you pour it in, just put it back inside for about another 10 minutes. So now we're going to do the hummus portion of it. Fun. So I'm gonna put my hummus in a bowl and all of it, basically a cup full is probably the estimated measurement. Then we're gonna add half a teaspoon of black pepper. Bam. Then we're gonna add some salt. Bam. And then we're gonna mix it like so. You see, sorry guys, I'm filming at night. My body, I'm in body pain right now. I think I'm sick. I'm pretty sure I am. I have a fever, 99 degrees. Okay, anyway. Cool, took them out of the oven. It's ready. If you want, you can put it in longer to get it more toasted, but it looks pretty good to me. Me gusta. What up, guys? Today I'm going to be making tofu wraps. The tofu wraps I saw online were delicious. Excuse me, looked delicious. And it looked super cheap to do and easy and vegan. Easy, cheap, vegan cooking 101. You know it, let's go. All right, after you drain your tofu, chop it up into rectangles and put it on a baking sheet. We're going to bake it for 10 minutes at 425 Fahrenheit. All right, guys, once you have flipped each piece over, add some of your tofu sauce, soy sauce. Just like so. Bam, look at that. Bomb. All right, put it back in for another 10 minutes. All right, so I added the hummus in a bowl. Black pepper, bam. I added salt, bam. And just mix it. Oh, I almost forgot, add some turmeric. Bam. All right, get your wrap and put the hummus in the middle. Add some sriracha. Bam. Oh, add your tofu. Bam. Add some more. All right, put your veggies. Bam. All right, wrap it up. And that's it. Look. Oh. Sorry, I'm out of it. I am out of it. So I'm coming down with something. It's getting worse with each minute that goes by. I'm not sure what's happening. I have chills all over my body. I mean, don't worry. I'll be fine. I'll survive this. But I'm so tired. I'm just gonna go to sleep. But I wanted to show you what I made, and I'll also show the TikTok video that I did for it so that you don't feel like you're missing out. But look, ooh, the wrap. Okay, well, have an amazing day. Good night. I may film something else tomorrow. just an update as to how I'm feeling. Because you guys care so much, right? Like, I'm just like a Kim Kardashian. I'm Kim. Anyway, have a great day. Bye.